Hello friends, in this video I will show how to open Microsoft Word document. So there are some basic method to open your Word document. First one, click on Start, then click on Word. Now here click on Open, Browse and select the document which you have. Like I have this document on my desktop. So select it, then open. Another way to open Microsoft Word document. Double click on your Word document on your desktop or where you saved. Like here I have this document. So double click on it. And third method, open Microsoft Word. Now drag and drop your document on this Microsoft Word surface. That's it. So these three simple and basic video to learn where. So this is the three simple and easy quick way to open Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching.